we can manage measure in multiple ways. So first, in select field, we select values. These values are usually, let's say something with quantity. Any decimal measure can be, any decimal type field can be a measure or integer. So this is what you have to do is click here, select it, it is a measure. Now on step number 5, we have selected measures, which we call base measures, and all these measures we can extend. So what I mean, so I click for quantity invoice 1, 2, 3, and I select which measure group, extended measure group I want to select. So year to day, month to day, week to day, for example. So I can do for every selected base measure, I get here. Then the measures I can put also into the folder or change the site. If for some reason I would like to have these values visible, then I can check it invisible. And let's see how we can use custom measures. So what we'll do is we'll add a measure, sales cost amount. Okay, and operation will be sum. The format we want to have it visible. So what will be the expression? Actually, what we will take is we'll take quantity to invoice and multiply it with unit cost. Okay, actually we don't want this unit cost to be visible in the cube, and we'll write here a SQL formula, which actually I have here. So sales line unit cost multiplied by sales line quantity to invoice. Okay, just drop it like this, and we have one. Now we'll add another one. We'll say sales profit, and what we will do now is again use a formula. This time we will take sales line amount, okay, and we will not write the sales cost amount because we know this cost amount is, we have to do it in the line, so we have to repeat this. Okay, so just repeat this and put it like here. And what we'll do is we can also do like sales line count by simply making 1. This is very simple and useful trick where you want to get number of the lines just by inserting it. So now this is very simple and also very powerful because we can also extend the values or the measures by the groups. If we need, we just extend this by extended measures like this. Now we generate, and we will have these groups there. So what actually happened is, if we go into sales order analysis and if we look into our load sales order procedure, now this is little technical for those of you who want to be technical, and this is the original sales order load, the view part here. If I say yes, I want to have it, so what it did was, this was already directly, and you see these 3 lines have been added. They don't have the source in the staging area, but we did it as a combination of these entries. So this is important. We can do formulas inside of these data warehouse measures. So let's refresh our data. So here we have cost amount, profit, and line count. All these three measures are data warehouse based, and therefore they can also have the extended measure setup. So you see sales line count or profit we have here. If this would be a cube based, MDX based measure, then it would not be also an option to set up a extended measure group.